This has 5 different modes. Let me go ahead and kind of cycle through the different modes so you can hear what the different modes are. Most people are going to use your standard cleaning mode, but if you want massage or polish, or if you have sensitive teeth, it has modes for all of that. What I really like about this toothbrush is not only does it have a couple different styles of heads, it comes with 8 heads. So it's going to last you a while before you'll ever need to replace the heads. Another really cool thing about this is if you get a cool toothbrush like this, everyone in your family is going to want one. It has a bunch of different colors, so you can do that. So you can get one for yourself, for your kids, get a different color. Everyone has their own color. Let's go ahead and have a closer look. This was sent to me so I could make this video, and this is everything that you get. Let's first have a look at the brush heads. I just want to show that there are 2 different styles, so just be aware of that. The other nice thing is you get 8 brush heads, so it's going to last for a while. When you do put on the brush head, you can see in the back there's kind of a notch that will lock into place, so it holds the brush head into place very well. And then let's go over all of the different settings. So to turn it on, you just press the button one time and you can see it's got some nice LEDs, indicates power and the mode you are in. This does have a memory, so if I turn this off by pressing and holding, you can see I moved to cleaning. If I press it on again, it's going to go back to cleaning because it does have that memory. And then if you want to cycle through the different modes, you can just cycle through easily by pressing a button. You can kind of see the different modes and maybe hear a little bit. You've got your whitening mode, your cleaning mode, sensitive, it's not quite as fast. Polish, it's going to kind of pulse a little bit. And then your massage does longer pulses. And then of course you can charge it on the base. It's kind of nice that it has that nubbin, so even you can see at an angle this isn't falling over. I've used a bunch of different electric toothbrushes. This is as good as any as I have tried. I always keep it charged on the dock, so I honestly don't know how long the battery lasts. On the Amazon description it says you can use for 330 days on a single charge. I doubt it goes up that high, but being realistic, I can't really think of an instance where you would need more than 30 days. Maybe if you go on vacation for a month and you don't take the charger with you, you might. Good battery life, good functionality. Really the only question I have with this is it says it uses the DuPont Brush Heads. And if you look, they're kind of hollow in the middle. It's got that notch on the back. That is the style. It looks like you can get replacement heads, but just look for the DuPont heads where it's kind of hollow in the middle like that. You should be okay.